Hi, I'm Chef Alan with Global Sugar Art with another 2-minute tips and tricks. I've shared with you in other videos all the things that you can do with silicone molds involving gum paste or fondant or a 50-50 mixture of the two. And that's basically used in cake decorating. But today I want to share with you all the things you can do with silicone molds besides gum paste and fondant. And there really are a lot. The first one I'm going to share with you is butter mince. This is a very easy recipe. I'm going to post it on our website. It's cream cheese, butter, confectioner's sugar, and a little bit of peppermint oil. And then you can color it whatever color you want or leave it white. Here are some beautiful little roses. Here's some nice little Christmas decorations. These are really easy to make. And they're really a holiday favorite. They're also used a lot at wedding showers, baby showers, all kinds of parties, really. So just roll the dough in a little ball. It's chilled. And press it into the mold. And level it off. It works just like gum paste or fondant. Now, place that mold in the freezer for about 5 minutes. And those will pop right out and look just like the ones on the tray over here. So butter mince, super easy, and because you can find all kinds of molds for different holidays and different occasions, you can probably find a silicone mold for whatever occasion you're having and have custom-made butter mince. So butter mince is one. Isomalt. We really like using the See Me Cakes Isomalt. All you have to do is melt this in the microwave, and you can pour it right in any silicone mold. Let's see, I used one of the gem molds. Or the brooch molds from Candies. You can produce nice isomalt decorations to use in cake decorating or whatever sugar project you're making. So isomalt and the cream cheese mince work. Let's see, cookie dough is one of my favorite. This is also one of the Candies, their little panels of buildings and a church. I'm taking a little bit of flour, and I'm just going to brush the inside of the mold with the flour, and then I just turn that upside down to get off what I don't need. Take some regular sugar cookie dough. Now you want to use a firm dough for this because you don't want the cookie spreading a lot when it bakes. So if your regular sugar cookie dough spreads a lot, just add a little bit more flour to it and you'll get a nice firm dough. And then those will pop right out, and you just set those on a parchment paper or on a sheet pan and bake those, and you have beautiful little cookies like the ones we made here. We made some out of gingerbread dough and some out of regular sugar cookie dough. So that's a third thing you can do with them. Chocolate. I've used regular Merkin's chocolate or Guittard chocolate, and I've melted it, and I poured that into one of these molds. This brooch right here, I actually put a little bit of pearl dust on it to show you how you can finish them. But you can use chocolate in silicone molds. Again, this would go in the freezer for about 5 or 10 minutes before you unmold them. Another use is butter. And you can make small molds or you can make large ones. Now, just take a stick of butter out of the refrigerator, not the freezer. Make sure it's just refrigerator cold. And it does need to be cold. Don't knead it and soften it. Just put it right in the mold and push down, and you'll see butter is pretty soft even when it's cold, and it works really easily. So just push it right into the mold, and take off any that you don't need. And I would refrigerate this butter again before you use it. The butter that I just scraped off, I'm referring to. So once that's all ready, that goes in the freezer. And I would leave this in probably a half hour or so. And what you're going to get, this one has been in the freezer. You're going to get a beautiful rose made out of butter. Here we go. And you could do a couple of those and put 2 or 3 on a plate, depending how much butter you need on your table. But it's just a great, great idea for a formal occasion or a semi occasion, or it's a very impressive thing to have on your table. So any of the molds, again, they're available for all holidays and occasions, so the larger molds work really well. But you also can do a small mold, and in this case, this is just a little Christmas tree. So if you wanted individual butters at a table or for each place setting, you could do 2 or 3 each of these and put them at each place setting. So we've talked about cream cheese mince, butter, cookie dough, chocolate, isomalt, and the last thing, which I really don't need to show you, is sculpting chocolate. It works just like gum paste or fondant. Just knead a little bit up, put it in the mold, freeze it, and unmold it, and you have a delicious product that is not like gum paste or fondant that the kids really enjoy eating, and you can decorate torts or pastries or any kind of sugar project with sculpting chocolate that's molded, and everyone will really love it. I hope you've enjoyed my little tutorial on how to use silicone molds for everything but gum paste and fondant. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best deals are always shopping direct at globalsugarart.com. Have a great day.